Join me as I challenge myself to eat only energy-boosting fruits for a whole week and see how it transforms my health. We're all looking for ways to boost our energy levels and live a healthier lifestyle. Fruits are a great place to start, but with so many options out there, it can be hard to know which ones to choose. Many of us struggle with low energy levels and poor health, and it's easy to reach for sugary snacks or caffeine to get a quick fix. But these solutions can have negative side effects and don't address the underlying issues. Feeling sluggish and tired all the time can be really frustrating, and it's hard to get motivated to do the things we love when we're feeling drained. Our diets play a huge role in how we feel, and making a few simple changes can have a big impact. Some people turn to supplements or energy drinks to get a boost, but these can be expensive and have negative side effects. Others try to push through and hope that their energy levels will improve on their own. But what if there were some simple, natural solutions that could help boost our energy levels and improve our overall health? That's where fruits come in. They're packed with nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that can help us feel our best. Bananas are a great example of an energy-boosting fruit. They're rich in potassium, an essential mineral that helps our bodies function properly. Potassium helps regulate fluid balance, and it's also important for muscle function and nerve function. Oranges are another great option. They're high in vitamin C, which is essential for immune function and can help fight off fatigue. Vitamin C also helps our bodies absorb iron, which is important for transporting oxygen to our cells. Mangoes are also a great choice. They're rich in vitamins and C, as well as potassium and fiber. Mangoes have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, and they can help support healthy digestion. Pomegranates are a powerful fruit that's packed with antioxidants. They've been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties and can help support heart health. Pomegranates are also high in vitamin C and potassium. After exploring the amazing benefits of these fruits, I've narrowed it down to my top 5 favorite energy-boosting fruits. Number 1 is the banana. Number 2 is the orange. Number 3 is the mango. Number 4 is the pomegranate. And number 5 is the acai berry. Incorporating these fruits into your diet can have a big impact on your energy levels and overall health. They're all packed with nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that can help support healthy function and reduce fatigue. The best part is that it's easy to add these fruits to your daily routine. You can enjoy them on their own as a snack, add them to your favorite smoothie or juice, or even use them as a topping for oatmeal or yogurt. So, what are your favorite energy-boosting fruits? I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. If you're looking for more tips on healthy eating habits, be sure to check out my next video where we'll be exploring the best foods to eat for a balanced diet.